Oh boy, I am super excited for this death battle. Hey guys, my name is Luigi from Luigi Reaction. Oh, let me fix my hat. Hey guys, my name is Luigi from Luigi Reaction. Today, oh boy, I am very excited because today I'm going to react to Black Canary versus Sindel. DC versus Mortal Kombat Death Battle. You know how I got my money on Sindel because Sindel is my dream girl. Don't judge me! Anyway, so let's get started. Before I watch this, I don't own any music, I don't own any movie clips, I don't own any clips I'm fishing shown in this video because the last time I posted is Miles Morales vs. Static Shock, which I did post it. It took a while because I keep getting copyright strike and I keep getting blocked. So I don't own any music, I don't own any movie clips, I don't own any of movie clips and music that's gonna be shown in this video. All this music and all those movie clips belongs to the white folk owners. So let's get started. The original video we can put description below. Let's get started in 3, 2, 1. I got Sindel, baby. I got Sindel. I got Sindel. Oh, okay.
It's a trope we're all familiar with. The damsel in distress crying for help.
No, that's screaming for your dad.
Because these two are the opposite. If you ever hear their cry,
yeah,
you're dead.
You're dead.
Canary, the blonde bare-knuckle brawler of DC
Yes.
Comics. And Sindel,
yeah,
the literal scream queen from Mortal Kombat.
Yeah, baby.
My boomstick.
And it's our job.
Oh, I love Sindel.
Skills to find out who would win a death battle.
Okay, let's go.
Behold,
Black Canary was very good in Injustice 2, but I don't play up that much because she is like her moves, her special moves is it is very different from others.
Of God's divine wrath.
And among these men and gods stood a woman, the judo chopping Black Canary.
Wait, why a canary? Canaries don't know judo, or do they?
However, this is not the Black Canary we'll be focusing on today.
Wait,
See,
what?
The Black Canary of the Golden Age may have been a skilled crime fighter in her own right,
yeah,
but the one who made the moniker a household name was her daughter, Dinah Laurel Lance.
Wait.
Dinah wanted to be a crime fighter just
for
like
real?
Mom, so she trained with
I didn't know.
The furry boxer I mentioned earlier.
Oh, okay.
Her mother wasn't very happy about that, though. Young Dinah's career could have ended then and there, if not for the discovery of what she likes to call her canary cry.
Yeah. Oh, cut to my ears.
Cases such as these weren't ordinary, but well explained.
Okay.
See, Dinah possessed
I love those kind of screams. Those screams will hold my ears a lot.
In about 12% of humanity granting superhuman abilities.
Yeah, Wizard did it. With
I always did it.
Training, Dinah took up her mother's mantle and became Black Canary. The second one.
Okay, she looks cute, but okay. Black Canary looks cute. I love her. She's one of my favorite DC. Like she's one of my DC favorite comic books. But today I got Sindel because you know.
Regardless, the canary cry is no joke. By emitting
her cry hurts a lot. Even in the story mode from Injustice 2, it hurt them a lot. Even the comic books, the TV shows, it hurt them a lot with Black Canary's screams.
She can focus her cries into small sonic projectiles or broaden them to affect entire cities.
And by screaming hard enough at the ground, she can freaking fly.
For real? She can fly?
Let's dig into this for a bit. For a sound wave to become a shock wave, it must possess an intensity of at least 194 decibels.
Whoa.
For reference, Black Canary's highest recorded scream clocks in at over 300 decibels.
Oh my god.
That's the same level of bulls as a volcano erupting.
All that power comes with a fairly obvious weakness, though. If her throat is damaged, she'll be unable to produce the cry.
Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Like if her throat is like sick, or she got a flu, or her throat is sore. And by the way, she never gets sore off of this. I don't know why.
Thanks to Wildcat and her mother,
but
Dinah has trained
I think when she gets shot by her throat or someone punches her in the throat, I think she can't scream anymore.
She knows holds that can put you to sleep, a punch that can detonate your heart, and
wait,
even
what?
How to cause instant death by pushing a single nerve cluster.
Oh,
she's basically the furious, blood-soaked love child of Kenshiro
and
Kill Bill. Also, before we go on, all this kung fu talk makes me want to see a judo canary in action.
Wait, what?
And what better opponent than our very own Mecha Goose Howard?
Wait, what?
Did you teach it judo?
Oh.
So, turns out they don't know judo. Where
Okay.
was the heads up on that one, Wiz?
Wait, what?
Even with all
Okay.
that, Dinah's greatest strength is perhaps her uncanny ability to learn and adapt mid-fight. It's
Yeah,
what
she
makes
can
her
do
such a
that
great
in
sparring
back in
partner to
Injustice
superhuman
2,
martial arts
in the
masters
TV
like
shows, and in the
Wonder
comics
Woman.
too.
It was during a fight with her, in fact, that Black Canary claimed she could perceive time down to the nanosecond.
Sounds crazy, right? But believe it, how else could she keep up with someone like Wonder Woman? Or
Oh,
how
yeah.
about the time she battled these red tornado androids? Green Lantern was using his power ring to scan for weaknesses. But
Oh,
Dinah
yeah, I
said,
forgot
"F
about
that," and
Green
snapped
Lantern's
hundreds of
thing.
times super fast. She found its literal Achilles heel before the power ring finished scanning.
That's
Dang.
right, she outsped an alien supercomputer. Keep in mind,
Dang.
Dinah does not technically possess
Oh,
superhuman
Vixen.
speed or strength.
But I wouldn't be surprised if she
With
secretly
Batman.
drank some super soldier serum at some point, because she can outmuscle superhumans and smash steel like it's flimsy wood.
Given the
Dang.
yield strength of steel and the size of her elbow, Dinah must
Wait,
have exerted
what?
a force of around 27 tons.
Well,
The
oh,
gal
okay.
survived
I don't know how
falling
they
into the
did that, but
ocean
okay.
From 1,000 feet, and even her own canary cry reflected back at her.
It helps that she has a special membrane in her ears that protects her from shockwaves.
Can't say the same for this robot dude, Amazo. For a murder-happy android with the combined powers of the entire Justice League, he sure could have packed some aspirin.
Wait,
She
what?
may be stubborn and hot-headed, but with her powers and training fine-tuned, Dinah proved her mom wasn't the only Black Canary to be reckoned with.
Huh.
She even teamed up with groups such as the infamous Birds of Prey, and at one point
Oh,
was
but
in charge of the
oh, I get it now. Okay, Sabatel. Okay, I get it now because the movie Built to Play, the new Harley Quinn movie, I was like, wait, why they call that? But I figured out why, because Jake joined the Built to Play group like Harley Quinn and the other gang. Yeah, I forgot about that. I was like, wait, what they did that? I was like, oh, now I get it now. So thank you, Death Rap, for teaching me that. Listen, back to the video.
Next to her main man, Green Arrow.
Yep.
They spent a lot of time sticking arrows in that quiver.
Yep, they
if
are
you know what I
dating.
mean. They did sex.
Okay.
Long story short, Black Canary is without a doubt one of the most badass women in comic book history.
Yes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I love Injustice 2, bro. Give me Injustice 3.
The realm of Edenia was a paradise, a Garden of Eden, if you will.
You said that.
This
like
is
it
a
was
Mortal
supposed to be
Kombat
clever.
comic book
Under the
because they
rule of
are
King
because there
Jared
is a
and
Mortal
Queen
Kombat
Sindel,
comic book.
The realm prospered for millennia until the arrival of Outworld Conqueror
Shao
Shao
Kahn.
Kahn and the tournament of Mortal Kombat.
Mortal Kombat.
Dun,
By
dun,
decree of
dun,
elder
dun, dun,
gods,
dun,
an
dun,
invading
dun.
force from another realm must defeat the defending world 10 consecutive times in a tournament to the death.
Doo-doo-doo. Unfortunately for Edenia, Khan dabbed on their asses
Oh,
and wanted
whoa.
Edenia for
I
himself.
love
To
Mortal
legitimize his
Kombat. The Mortal Kombat 11 story mode
Jared
was
married Sindel
awesome.
and adopted her daughter Katana as his own. Excessive?
They did.
Probably.
Needless to say, Cindy wasn't too happy about all that. But it turns out
Wait,
she
she's
was a
over
kung fu
10,000
sorcerer.
years
So, to
old?
avenge her kingdom, she underwent a mystic ritual where she offed herself to protect Khan's next target.
I have a
Earth realm.
lot to think
And it
about.
worked.
For a time, after 10,000 years of hopelessly failing to take the Earth, Khan learned how to undo her protective ward. Sindel was resurrected, brainwashed, and
wait.
transformed into a fierce queen of dark magic.
Yeah.
terror.
She
My
was
queen.
ready to slay, and holy shit, did she!
Sindel's
Oh, that
invading
must be a
physiology
whole,
gives her
MK11,
superhuman strength, speed, and
story
durability,
thing.
allowing her to make mincemeat of Mortal Kombat's regular combatants.
You better have said that with a K.
And despite being
I'm so
dead
sorry if
for
I
the
was sniffing
past
my nose or
10,000
coughing,
years,
I'm
she's
a little bit
somehow
sick.
a master of two forms of Chinese kung fu. Jacques Quan originates from
Jacques
northern
Quan?
China and is known for its eloquent, graceful, extended movements. Fu Pai, also known as the Tiger
I
Claw
remember
system,
that.
focuses
I
on
think
fast,
because that
powerful
game was on the
strikes.
Wii, I think.
Sindel also wields a Quan Do. It's a blade designed for long-range deflection and carving
She had
people
no
up
stab,
like a
too.
Thanksgiving turkey.
Though she hardly needs a weapon when she already has one.
Yeah.
Her hair. She can command it to stretch like a
Yeah, her hair and her
to
staff.
pulse, and act essentially as an extra prehensile limb.
Not gonna lie, Wiz.
Yeah,
that's,
he can choke or kill someone with that hell.
Would you still think so if she used it to spin you like a top fast enough to obliterate
Oh,
your body?
what?
What a way to go.
Okay.
Yeah,
well,
that
all
is a
that
way
pales
to
in
go.
comparison to her signature ability, the Banshee Scream.
Yes, oh my gosh.
This ultrasonic shout is powerful enough to detonate heads, split limbs,
Oh.
and rend flesh. Her screaming power can even be focused into mystical fireballs of destruction
Wait.
called Star Screamers.
Oh, like that Transformer that we had that pony eat his soul.
No.
Wait,
Sindel
what?
once screamed with enough force to annihilate
What?
a large part of a cave.
Okay.
This resembles the effects of a magnitude 5.0 earthquake. comparable to nearly 500 tons of TNT exploding all at once.
Dang. Oh, that was a Mortal Kombat movie. I hate the Mortal Kombat movie. The live action one.
Which include our old pal, Sub-Zero. But I kept it as a souvenir.
Who,
Wait.
along with most of the series combatants,
Wait, what?
can shatter a block of pure diamond with his bare hands.
Yeah, he did.
A feat like this
I gotta
would
say, they are
require a
pretty
pressure of at
strong.
least 60 gigapascals. That's over 4,300 tons of force per square inch.
Dang.
Cabal.
Who was fast enough to
Cabal?
send machine gun fire out of the air.
Oh yeah, I love
Flies
Cabal
moves his
MK11.
bathroom.
Accurate.
Okay.
Judging by the likely muzzle velocity and rate of fire, Cabal must have been reacting within 0.06 of a second in order to consistently parry these bullets.
And he blocked a bunch of them back to back to back.
Yeah, he did.
Sindel wound up getting blown up and brainwashed all over again.
Oh, okay.
Man, this chick
Oh yeah, back in
the
MKX.
zombie MILF thing's kind of working for her.
Well, that's only one possible timeline. In the original story, she was actually freed from Shao Kahn and regained control of Edenia. In
Ooh.
another, it seems the killing of her royal husband was actually her plan all along.
Whoa.
Anyway, we're talking about Mortal Kombat. They all die eventually. But compared to the Queen, everyone else might as well have been silent.
Yeah. Yeah. My queen! I got Sindel. Yeah. So I'm gonna skip this part and I'm gonna wait into the battle. So see you guys in the battle.
Right now,
It's time for a death battle! Sindel! Come on, Sindel, you got this. Oh, the blockers. Oh.
Talk about Scooby-Doo meets Fight Club.
Okay. Oh. Oh,
Enough of this farce,
well, Sindel, what's wrong with your hell?
I shall strip the flesh from your bones.
Come on, Sindel, you got this. Hey, I love that. Come on, Sindel. Use your hell. Oh, come on, Sindel. Yeah, oh hell. I went my hell back and forth. Oh, fatality. X-ray.
Are you hurt, child?
Yeah, are you hurt, Black Canary?
Let me sing you a lullaby.
Yeah. Yeah! That's what you get!
No kidding. I almost fell asleep.
Yeah, come on, I'm not Black Canary. Sindel, you got this, Sindel. Oh no. Oh,
So are ring outs a thing here?
come on, Sindel.
Insufferable creature, we fight to the death.
Yep, fight to the death, pal, because this is Mortal Kombat, baby. Come on, you got this, Sindel. You're the bomb. Get ready, baby.
Such a pretty bird with such an ugly song. Tell me.
Come on, Sindel.
Fly.
Fly like a bird and... Wait. Wait, what? Wait. Wait, come on.
Fatality.
Oh my god! I am done! I am done with this!
Thing up again! Or, well, for the first time, technically, so I tried to work it in, guys.
This battle was a curious one. For the most part, Sindel's physical strength, projectiles, and aerial maneuverability let her keep up with the bird of prey.
Yeah, she was 160 times stronger, but Canary's made a living off fighting superhumans who are even stronger than that, like Mammoth and Giganta, so I guess that wasn't that big of an advantage, really.
Comparing Cabal's bullet timing to her nanosecond reaction, Dinah's reaction speed was easily 60 million times faster, and with her wide array of martial arts abilities, she certainly capitalized on this.
Sure, Sindel had some awesome moves, but
Yes.
sadly, stepping on people like a hot dominatrix doesn't quite stack up when Black Canary mastered way more fighting styles. Plus, she's been training all her life. Adenia was
Yes,
super
that's
peaceful before
true.
Shao Kahn came along, so I doubt Sindel was taking names and kicking ass all before that.
But let's move on to the comparison everyone wants to know. Which was deadlier, the Banshee Scream or the Canary Cry?
Yes.
We know Dinah's cry could reach 300 decibels.
Yeah.
In comparison, the results of Sindel's most powerful scream are similar to a 5.0 earthquake, which is equivalent to only 235.
Wait, what?
I know what you're thinking. That's a difference of only 65 decibels.
Yeah, wait.
Oh, that different? Wrong! It's totally different, because decibels are freaking weird.
Wait,
See,
what?
Decibels are not like meters or minutes, which scale geometrically. Instead, decibels scale logarithmically. For every 10 decibels a sound is, its intensity increases tenfold. So 30 decibels
I'm
is
learning
10
something
times
new,
greater than
and I'm
20
confused
decibels.
right now.
40 is 10 times greater than 30, and so on.
So, every increase multiplies the sound instead of just adding to it. Wait a minute. That means the canary cry would be...
About 1,000,000 times stronger than the Banshee scream. Nearly 500
Oh!
megatons of TNT.
awesome.
The closest real-life comparison we can make is the Krakatoa eruption of 1883. A volcano blast so powerful it could be heard over 3,000 miles
Yeah,
away.
it can.
Not
Volcano
so different
blast
from what
is
Dinah has been
loud.
capable of.
It also didn't hurt that Canary had those special membranes in her ears to guard against Sindel's scream.
In the end, Canary had the speed, skill, and raw decibels to finish her.
It was Sindel's time to die.
What, no pun about screams?
Well, I was gonna, but I thought a pun that obvious wouldn't be allowed.
Hey,
is
I like that,
Black
but if
Canary.
you say something about Sindel, I'm gonna... Ugh! I'm sad and mad right now. Are you kidding me? Sindel lost! Miles lost! Sindel lost! Are you kidding me? What's next? Ninja Turtles! Yeah! Wait, is that Ninja Turtles? Versus who? Oh, yes! Yes! Wait, Leonardo versus Jason. Oh, baby. Leonardo versus Ninja Turtles versus the wedding. Oh, baby. February 2nd. Oh, baby. Oh, that's going to be the whole Ninja Turtles. But no, it is Leonardo versus Jason, the Red Power Ranger. Okay, I'm going for Leonardo, baby. Okay, I love Ninja Turtles a lot. I grew up watching the old cartoons, the TMT 2012 show for Nickelodeon. That was my favorite. And the live action was awesome. I don't care what people said about it is stupid. But no, that was an awesome movie. Don't at me, bro. I love Power Rangers, but I'm not a big fan of the show. I'm not a big fan of the movie. I did watch the movie. I was like, it's okay. I did enjoy the fights. But anyway, I'm sad that Sindel lost. But I hope Leonardo would kick Jason's butt, baby. And I'm so sorry asking out loud because Sindel was my baby. I love you, Sindel. Don't judge me! So, guys, if you got any reaction, leave a comment below. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, like my other videos. I don't own any music. I don't own any movie clips or clips that were short in this video. All those clips or movie clips or songs belongs to lifetime owners. And the original villain will be description below. See you in the next video. Peace out.